Hello friends, welcome to Pendulum IAS, and in our series What's in News, today we'll discuss about bamboo, that customs duty on bamboo has been increased, and in this series we'll study why this bamboo is in news, what is bamboo, and also what is custom duty and more facts about bamboo. So let's start the session. So first of all, what's the news? Recently, the government has increased the customs duty on imported bamboo by agarbatti manufacturers, and this custom duty has been increased from 10% to 25% with immediate effect. The decision has been taken to promote the use of domestic bamboo under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. At least 1 lakh new jobs will be created within next 8 to 10 months in this agarbatti industry. Also, this decision will benefit farmers and small agarbatti manufacturers. Earlier, only big agarbatti manufacturers, they were able to take the advantage of this as they used to import bamboo at very low rates. Also with this decision, uniform rate will help in avoiding misuse and rate related disputes. Also, there is irony that India is the second largest producer of bamboo after China, and it is also the second largest importer of bamboo and its products. India imports bamboo from Vietnam and China, and this has caused lots of loss to the employment opportunities in India, as most of the bamboo is being imported from Vietnam and China, and India, being the second largest producer, is unable to exploit its own resources. Now let's see something about bamboo. Bamboo, it is not a tree, but it belongs to the grass family Poaceae, and it can be used as food, for making furniture, as construction material, for making handicrafts, etc. And bamboo is renewable and it grows very fast. It was earlier considered as a tree under the Indian Forest Act of 1927, due to which under the act felled or extracted bamboo found in or brought from a forest was considered as timber, and the state governments were empowered to regulate the trade and movement of bamboo under this, and the law not only constricted the livelihoods of forest communities, but it also restricted private growers too. And for this reason, India was unable to exploit its own resources of bamboo, and most of the bamboo has to be imported. In 2017, bamboo ceased to be a tree after the amendment in Indian Forest Act of 1927. This has eased transit and felling restrictions on bamboo in private lands. Now talking about customs duty. It is a tax which is imposed by the government on export and import of goods. The tax is levied to ensure economic stability, safeguard domestic industries, and to regulate movement of goods. All matters related to customs duty in India falls under Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, that is CBIC. So friends, here we have covered the topic that was in news regarding increase in custom duty of imported bamboo, and this is basically has been increased from 10% to 25%. Also, we have learned here about bamboo, some facts we have understood about bamboo production in India, and also we learn about customs duty. So I hope you like this session. For such type of videos, subscribe to our channel Pendulum IAS, and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notification, and keep preparing with us. All the best. Thank you.